Hello everyone, my name is Rameshwar Singh and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, corrective action and preventive action. Both are methods used to handle problems, but there is a big difference between them. Corrective action is a reactive approach. It is taken after a problem has occurred. On the other hand, preventive action is a proactive approach. It is taken before a problem occurs to stop it from happening in the first place. Let's start with corrective action. It begins when a problem or non-conformity is detected. This non-conformity may be found during an internal audit, as a customer complaint, or during a second-party or third-party audit. The main objective of a corrective action is to eliminate the root cause and ensure the problem does not happen again. Example: imagine that in a factory, products are getting scratches during production. Upon investigation, the root cause is found to be a loose machine part. So, the corrective action would be to fix that machine and add a checkpoint in the predictive or preventive maintenance plan to regularly inspect that part. The goal is to ensure that scratches do not occur again due to that same issue. Now let's talk about preventive action. This is a proactive approach. Action is taken before any issue arises. The focus here is on identifying and controlling potential risk. Example: if management knows that certain machine parts tend to wear out every 6 months, they can take preventive action by scheduling regular maintenance. For instance, inspecting parts every month, training operators, and keeping spare components ready. This way, the organization avoids unplanned breakdowns and ensures smooth production. Another everyday example: we install antivirus software to prevent a virus attack, or we conduct safety training for workers to avoid accidents. These are all preventive actions designed to stop problems before they occur. So what's the difference? Corrective action starts after the problem is detected. Its purpose: to prevent recurrence. Preventive action starts before the problem occurs. Its purpose: to prevent occurrence. Interestingly, the same action can be corrective for one organization and preventive for another. Example: suppose you visit your customer and you find that another supplier's parts have welding defects. For that supplier, the actions they take to fix those welding issues are corrective actions. But if you come back to your own organization, discuss the issue with your team, and implement measures to prevent similar welding problems in your parts, those actions are preventive actions for you. So friends, I hope this video helped you clearly understand the difference between corrective and preventive actions. If you have more examples or experiences, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.